If you want to know how to use ClipChamp for YouTube, you've come to the right place. So firstly, we need to import media. So let's click on import. And from this page here, just simply add different stuff related to your video, photos, images, music, and so on. You can also use music and different effects from the libraries. You can use stock media like backgrounds, subscribe panels, and so on. All you can find is in the left side menu, music and SFX and stock video. So you can use it without any copyright issues and so on. You can also try to use different templates. And basically, when everything is done, we can simply go to exporting and YouTube editing. If you want to find some more related tutorials about ClipChamp, about editing, adding some text, effects, and so on, you can find them in my other videos. But in this case, I can show you that we can create like horizontal videos and also like vertical for YouTube Shorts, for example. And in order to do it, we just simply need to switch our aspect ratio. In the right side top corner of the player, we can find the option to change, for example, for portrait. So now we can resize our pictures and then just create YouTube Shorts. It depends on your aims. So I want to show you both the ways of how can you do. And the same way we can switch back to horizontal, for example, to make like classic YouTube videos. And when everything is done, we can just simply click on export right up here, find the necessary quality. I suggest you to export in the highest possible quality, but to make it faster, I'll export in the lowest quality. And now our video will be successfully exported and uploaded to our computer, where you can easily upload it to YouTube, or we can upload it to YouTube directly if you click on this button right up here, and we'll connect our YouTube channel inside of the ClipChamp. So as you can see, they have a lot of integrations. So this is a way of how can we use ClipChamp for YouTube. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.